borrowed money is at a higher rate than money that you put in purchases. A balance transfer after the promotional rate, balance transfers might be 17, 18%, and the rate on your card for purchases might be 12%. Second of all, the bank structures payments favorable to that. When you send your money in, it's divided over different aspects. The structure for payments is always pay the lowest one first. Mm-hmm. Any fees, penalties, and so on are paid first. Then the lowest, working to the highest rate. So if you're not paying all the money, you draw money. So if your payment is late, you lose $25, $35 this month to take that off. And then if you had you went over the credit line and there were some penalties there, so it's conceivable you send a payment for $200 to the bank, and maybe 50, 75 of it went to penalties, fees. Then the next thing is we pay down your balances because they're the cheapest thing. And the big item, the balance transfer, the money that you took, that we took care of you, it is no longer at 4%, it's at 17%. And that doesn't get paid till all the fees are paid, till all your purchases are paid, and then we pay that. And if you're making minimum or slightly above minimum payments, you never pay that. So they're making money before they even bill you. The merchant's paying 3 or 4% of what you bought to the credit card company. Then if you can't pay the revolving balance, then you're contributing to their money. And if you miss any payments or you do anything that is against the rules or regulations, we have to assess you penalties. And the penalties are basically at their discretion, not at yours. They have the right to say, well, you're not paying consistently, so instead of 14%, we're going to have to charge you a default rate of 27%. And they've done that without ever giving you a chance to do anything. The only hope you've got is to pay that off and dump the card. But most people who have got a balance can't do that. They can't pay the whole thing. So you pay the 27% because that's what you're going to pay for it. Or what you can do is find another credit card company and do a balance transfer.